Hi everyone, welcome back. So we're heading up to Tobermory today. Uh, it's on the Bruce Peninsula, about in the middle of Ontario. It's a beautiful area known for crystal clear waters, cliffs. It'll be some good pictures, especially with fall right now with the nice fall colors. It should be a nice trip. It's also going to be a good test for my Ranger. It's about a 3-hour drive one way. So that'll be a good test to see as I go further and further with it. So follow along and I hope you enjoy the video. So we made it to our campsite. Really nice campsite here. So we're in the Tamaracks, Site 215. Lots of hiking. You can go down to the grotto and the overhanging cliffs. So I hope to show you some of the footage of that, some of the beautiful shots of the shoreline there. And then we've got this trail that I'm going to try and do with my truck. It goes down to a Cameron Lake. So I saw it on Google Maps, thought I'd try it, see what it looks like. I got these roof racks I got off of a Ford Edge, and I mounted them on my canopy. I don't know if you can see them very well. Anyways, that helps me pack the canoe, so I pack the canoe down here. Right now the canoe is down at the river, or down at the lake. I just have a bicycle lock on it to keep it secure down there. Yesterday I caught a smallmouth bass. Of course I didn't have my camera with me. A nice site. Nice spot here. There's nobody around. Well, we're here enjoying our morning coffee. What a beautiful spot. I don't think you can find a nicer spot. We're right here. It's on Georgia Bay, part of Lake Huron. And look at the view that we've got. It's just a beautiful view. We're gonna head home, back to the trailer. We're gonna have some breakfast, a pancake breakfast this morning, and then maybe just do a little bit more of hiking around here. Just enjoy the scenery a little bit. There's a nice little spot that I saw using Google Maps. It's a couple roads down from the park here. It's a kind of a back road. It says on it non-maintained public access road. So I think it's okay to go down. It's not private land. There's no private land markings. But it looks like it comes around to the other side of a lake called Connor Lake. So that's where I'm going to go. We're going to head down there and see what's down there. See if we can find another little campsite maybe that would be close by that we could go to. A nice campsite just outside of Tobermory. Nice little spot all to yourself. A little bit of a rough road coming in. So here's dinner for tonight. We've got some corned beef hash. I'll just show you what we got going on. So we got the corned beef, fried up the onions, and we put in the corned beef, making some gravy, and then this one we've got our vegetables, potatoes, carrots, so that'll be yummy. So we just on our way headed home, and so we stopped here. This is called the Devil's Monument. It's a really nice hike. It's located between Lion's Head and Cypress Lake, and let's go check it out. I think it's going to be a nice hike.